welcome to another vlog. First of all, please excuse the mess behind me. We're currently trying to pack, and so it is quite messy here in our Airbnb. I think today we're gonna be primarily exploring Shibuya. Ted actually already headed out earlier. He had a massage booked today at 11. I am going to go meet up with him in Shibuya because that's where his massage place is, but I think first I'm gonna go get some stamps for this stamp rally that's currently going on. It's a Zootopia 2 stamp rally. I think it's just held by the Tokyo Metro. There's like little stamps that you're supposed to collect, and we already got one of them, but I'm gonna go try to get another one because I think I have the time to do so. So let's go. Doing it all, so I wasn't able to talk about it, but basically what happened was that the stamp is at Kitasando station, and from where I was near Shinjuku, they wanted me to get off at Yoyogi station and then walk like 12 minutes to get to the station, so I was just like hauling ass trying to get to the station. Finally got the stamp, and now I need to get to Shibuya to meet up with Ted because his massage is about to be over. At Shibuya, I need to go to IKEA because I don't think all of our clothes, our heavy winter clothes, are gonna fit in our suitcases. So we're trying to get these like big, heavy IKEA bags so that the train's coming, so that our clothes can fit in it.
We could be screaming at each other in a parking lot and leaving there thinking that it's all for nothing. Wake up and wonder what it is that we forgot. We could be holding on like it's the Tower of Terror. Knots in my stomach saying, baby, I swear that next time.
Got another 2 stamps at Shibuya station. The grind truly never stops when you're stamp hunting. Alright, let's go to IKEA.
Like the sky is blue, it all makes sense. And it's all because of you. I must have done something right. You got me and I don't know why I'm caught up planning on your independence. But then I went up by your side. You got me and I don't know why I'm caught up planning on your independence. Yeah. We both know that we're far from perfect. When I come home, that'll make it worth it. I don't want anybody else's ups and downs. Cause if you're the eye on a hurricane, you calm me down when I'm feeling anxious. You're the one I'm spinning around. We're just like that. Like the sky is blue, it all makes sense. And it's all because of you. Must have done something right. You got me and I don't know why I'm caught up planning on your independence. But then I went up by your side. You got me and I don't know why I'm caught up planning on your independence. Must have done something right. I'm caught up planning on your independence.
We're gonna eat lunch now. It's gonna be soup curry.
This crew was really good.
Yeah.
I feel like it's one of our first real meals in a little bit. No, we ate some good stuff in Kyoto too, but I don't know. Like we ate pretty late today, and so it really hit the spot. Very nourishing.
Yes.
And then you can customize and pick your own toppings too. Well, additional toppings. And so it's really good.
I would highly recommend checking it out. It is called
Hokkaido Soup Curry Suage.
Pretty Special.
They have locations in like some of the big areas in Tokyo, and then so they have locations up in Sapporo too, where I think they probably started.
Yeah, from Hokkaido. Alright, and next stop is Tokyo Station for Character Street.
Hopefully we don't buy too much.
Yeah.
I mean, you're mighty fine. You go okay, but now you're crazy. So underrated. You're one of the greatest. But the second time I fell in love, no, it's just a crush. Knew too much, but I didn't know enough. Know what you're thinking, though. It doesn't matter what I'm saying unless it's all. We both get on the ball and score. I say fall. We both get on the wall. Well, it's like two little talking dogs. Truly is a miracle. I'm not involved in some problems. I should have been another result, but now I'm more resolved to use it all as my superpower. I'm fading into blue. Well, felines gotta rest to feel. Yeah, felines gotta rest to feel. Key lime pie on my shoe. Key lime pie on my shoe and my bed. Get a load of that, get a load of that, get a load of that now. Get good of that, get good of that. You wouldn't believe the state I keep my soul in. You wouldn't believe my story. Well, it's like two little talking dogs. Truly is a miracle. I'm not involved in some problem. I should have been another result, but now I'm more resolved to use it all as my superpower. I'm fading into
We are back in Shibuya because we forgot to run a few errands that we had wanted to do originally, but we found more stamps and gotta do them. There's one last one of this series. It's like blue. I don't know where it is. You know the one I showed you earlier is red? Yeah, there's the last one that's blue.
The design's different too. So do they need to do this to us?
Wait.
Haven't we suffered enough?
I think they're all different. Wait, no, it's the same.
The designs are the same, it's just different ink.
I guess.
Why would there be a blue one too? Because
I don't know, but when I went to go get the red one, there was a thing that said like 3 different stamps. Hi, we are back in Shibuya. Like I said earlier, we were just silly earlier and forgot to hit up this store.
And
Yeah.
the Casetify store.
Yeah, we had it on our list of things to do today, but for some reason we just forgot. And then went to Tokyo Station, and then I think on the subway we were like, wait,
Wait,
we weren't done
Yeah.
with Shibuya. But we're here back right in front of the PARCO. PARCO is like a department store where the Nintendo store and then the Casetify stores are.
we are gonna grab a case or two, and then also like maybe get some controllers because our Joy-Cons and other controllers aren't working as well as they used to. And yeah, that's about it.
Yes, we are here to stand on business. We have things to do.
And we have a really early flight to catch tomorrow.
Yes, we
And
have.
so We gotta hurry here and then head home.
We have a little adventure planned. Gonna fly out from Haneda tomorrow early, so just gonna finish our shopping here in Shibuya and then head home. See ya!
Got it.
How long do we have to wait for the case?
They said potentially pickup time scheduled is like 8:50, but if it's ready early, they'll text me.
Okay,
Pickup's
sounds
on the
good.
5th floor.
I see. Nintendo store now.
Yep. They saw me struggling with stuff and they gave me a bag.
That's good. We love blathers.
You should show the nooklings next to it.
Nooklings? What nooklings?
Set over there.
Everything is too cute. Hello, we are back at our Airbnb. Earlier, our time at Shibuya PARCO was fun, but also quite hectic, quite crowded. We visited Nintendo, and I think, as with all Nintendo stores in Japan, it's always quite crowded. I think a lot of tourists like to visit, and so it's busy, but I don't know, we got what we were looking for, and now we're home. I wanted to kind of go over some of the stamps that I was able to get today. I didn't expect to get so many stamps because our day was kind of packed and it was just like one thing after another, but I did manage to get quite a few, which I'm really excited about. I've been collecting stamps around Japan, around Tokyo for a little bit now, and I don't know, there's just something really satisfying about stamping a new stamp into your notebook. And I think it's a really nice and free souvenir for you to do whenever you're in Japan. So this is the very first page. I think these three were from last night, so not today, but this one was from today. This one's really cute. It was at Shibuya. I really like the little dog. His name is Hachiko, and he's this like Shibuya icon. And then the next page we have another stamp from Shibuya. This was at the Wander Compass. It was just like this little tourist information desk inside Shibuya station. I wasn't actually trying to look for it, I just passed by and happened to see it, and I just think the stamp is really cute because you see the little paw prints all around and the Hachiko statue. And then these two are from Tokyo Station. This is from the Chikawa store, and this one was from the Coupon-chan store. Coupon-chan had two, and so here's the other one. And then there was a One Piece store as well at Tokyo Station, and that one also had a stamp. If you're visiting Tokyo Character Street and you like stamping, I would highly recommend checking out some of these stores to get their store exclusive stamps. And then last but not least, I have another stamp from Shibuya Station that's really similar, but this one is green. And then I have a One Piece stamp from the Shibuya store. This one was the store inside Shibuya PARCO. But yeah, I got so many today. I definitely didn't expect to get so many, and pretty excited about that. I have been collecting Japan stamps in this same notebook, both last trip and this trip, and it's just been so fun being able to look through the memories of where you've been. Like here, for example, there's a Hiroshima page, And then there's stuff from Nara from our last trip. More cute character stamps. I definitely have no idea what I'm gonna do with all these stamps eventually, but I'm just happy to have them all in one place, and it makes me happy to share the stamps that I've been getting around Japan. So tonight we definitely have to do some packing. Tomorrow we're actually heading out to Hokkaido. We have a flight early in the morning. I think we mentioned this a little bit earlier, but it's gonna be at like 6 or 6:20 in the morning, which means we have to head out around like 5, I believe. And so we're just gonna go to sleep and rest up for Hokkaido. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and see you in the next vlog. See you in Hokkaido. Bye.